Welcome to the tutorial for eero Insight platform. eero Insight is a tailored platform that empowers property managers and staff to assist residents as they move in, move out, or have questions about Wi-Fi in a community equipped with eero devices. This tutorial will guide you through accessing and managing the eero Insight platform. Log in to eero Insight at insight.eero.com using the email invite you received from Metronet. Once you are logged in, you will be able to view all of your communities. It's advisable to take a short tour to discover this tool and learn the different functionalities offered. Click on a given community and will be taken to the landing page for that community. Community settings impact all eero networks within a given community and should be carefully utilized by property representatives. You will see a list of property representatives who can access eero Insight for that community. Property representatives can currently be added or removed from this list only by Metronet. Once a resident moves in, they may contact the property manager to activate the Wi-Fi network in their community unit, or this can be set up in advance with the scheduled move-in date using the following steps. 1. Log in to eero Insight with the email address created for the property representative. Second, eero will send an email with the validation code to be entered on the eero Insight page. 3. Once logged in, the community unit networks can be found on the search bar on the community page using the residence number. 4th, a community network, if vacant, comes with an option to link the network to the resident. Click on the ellipses on the far right to assign the network. Select Link to Owner from the dropdown. 6. A pop-up box will open to Verify Customer. This is to confirm that this is the unit to be changed. If yes, select OK. 7. The Link to Owner box will open. Fill in the required fields and select Link. On the indicated move-in date, the resident receives an activation email from eero support at eero.com titled, "Your eero Wi-Fi network is ready for activation." The activation email will also contain the default Wi-Fi network name and an auto-generated password. To activate the network, residents must verify their email by creating an account with the same email via the mobile app. The network will remain inactive until the resident's email is verified. This ensures network security, prevents unauthorized use of the network, and reduces the risk of fraud. Once the recipient has verified their email, the network ownership state will change from unverified owner to verified owner. If, for any reason, the resident has not received the email, search for the unit, select the ellipses for the dropdown, choose either Resend the invite or Change the owner if the email address needs to be corrected. When the Resend the invite is selected, a pop-up box will appear to show that the email has been sent. When Change the owner is selected, all the required fields will need to be completed. When a resident moves out, they may contact the property manager. The property manager can reset the network to vacant. Follow this procedure. 1. Log in to eero Insight with the email address created for the property representative. Second, eero will send an email with the validation code to be entered on the eero Insight page. 3. Once logged in, the community unit networks can be found on the search bar on the community page using the residence number. 4. The community unit network can be reverted to its vacant or left-in-place state by selecting the ellipses on the right side. 5. From the drop-down menu, click on Reset to Vacant. Since this is a purge action, the user will be prompted to confirm that they wish to reset the network to vacant. 6. As part of the reversion, all prior resident settings, profiles, and data are deleted to maintain data privacy and security, ensuring that the next resident does not see prior resident data. Note: the device will show offline when this resetting process takes place. This takes approximately 2 minutes for the rest and for the device to show online. 7. Once completed, the network owner status will display vacant and the connection status will be online. The unit is ready to be assigned to the next resident. 8. Once a network is in its vacant state, any property-wide IoT SSIDs continue to be broadcasted from the network, ensuring that community-owned IoT devices remain connected to the internet. Property representatives can expand each network within the community to view network statistics, as well as network owner details. On the main page of the Property Management Portal, select the Contact Support button in the top right side. The MDU Customer Relations Team's number is 833-310-3162, or email mdu-customer-relations@metronetinc.com. Thank you for viewing the tutorial for eero Insight platform. For additional training resources, please visit metronetbusiness.com/support, where you can access the eero Insights for Property Managers user guide, which provides detailed information and instruction.